Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Archos Access 57, for the first you have to open the system application folder, then tap on the sound recorder, and here we have to tap on the record button. And right now smartphone is recording the sounds, so we can just check the quality of it. So just finish. Here we are able to rename our record and save. And let's check it. Just check the quality of it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!